Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to birdwatch the Woodchat Shrike in Heartopia. Birdwatching this bird is useful to complete your birdwatching diary or birdwatching collections like this. And the info card can be exchanged for rewards with Bailey J. And you can also sell the info card to NPC Albert if you want some extra coins. And you can find these birds at the suburbs area. And the good news, this bird and the good news is this bird is found at all times and almost all weather at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. So you don't need to wait for a specific time or conditions. And for the locations at the map, it's located on here at the suburbs area, just near at the suburban lakes. This one, just go to this area and then just bird watching this bird. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.